I needed to get away from things, or I needed time for myself, or maybe, just to visit the people in the place. And thank you so much. This means a lot to us, and we hope that we can help you more in promoting Batanes. And we actually, personally, I hope I can promote the Philippines in general to everyone here in the world, because I really believe that our country is such a beautiful place, also with beautiful people in it. So thank you so much. Thank you very much, and congratulations. How about Ken? Would you like to add something?
This is such a great honor. And I guess this means that I have to go to Batanes Batanes is, I think it's the last paradise on earth to me. I think it's, everyone should take a chance to take a look over there. But yeah, hereby remind everyone, don't take anything away from there. Don't add anything there. Keep it as beautiful as it is. Thank you.
And so we would like to take this opportunity to thank, of course, Ayala Mall, Ternoma, and of course for letting us have our Grand Fans Day here in our premiere night tomorrow night. Ito yan. And of course, Ignite Media Incorporated and GMA Films, our directors Dave Hukom and Adolf Alex. Thank you so much, Kenshu. And bukas ako, tomorrow, would you like to invite them to our premiere night?
Oh yeah, the premiere night is tomorrow, right? So